Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing very well. And if you're watching this face for the very first time, then hi, hello. I'm Duti and I make beauty and lifestyle related content here on my channel. And if that's what you enjoy watching, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button right next to it so that you get notified whenever I upload a video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I shave my face. Yes. Women do shave their face, it's nothing new. There are a lot of women out there who shave their face, who like to shave their face. But yeah, it's not compulsory, you don't have to shave your face, it's a complete choice. But I like to shave my face, and if you wanna know step-by-step routine of shaving my face and the benefits of shaving face, then please continue watching. Okay, so first things first, always start with a clean face, and for that I have already washed my face using the Face Shop Rice Water Foaming Cleanser. I absolutely love this cleanser, and if you watched my morning skincare routine, then you know how much I love this face wash. And if you haven't watched this, then go watch the video. Okay, so the next step and the most important step of shaving your face is to apply a product to make your face lubricant. Never shave your dry face. It will cause friction and burning and itching and irritation and all the bad things out there. So make sure to apply a nice product to make your face lubricant so the facial razors glide on smoothly. And for that I will use the Face Shop Jeju Aloe Soothing Gel. I will take a nice amount of that and apply it all over my face. Okay, so once I'm done applying the aloe vera gel all over my face, I will take my facial razor, and here I'm using the razor from Vega. Vega. And it comes in a pack of 3, which will cost you around 100 rupees, which I think is so affordable. And it comes with a cap like this, and the razor looks somewhat like that. So it looks like this. It is very gentle. It says it won't cut your face, but still you have to be very careful as your facial skin is so soft and delicate. Now there are some things to remember while shaving your face. Never use your razor like this motion. Always use it like this motion. Use it like, place your razor like this and drag it like this. And the second thing is, never make your skin loose. Always keep it tight like this and then shave your face. Once you're done shaving your face, clean your face with a cotton pad or cotton ball, whatever you want to use. And also don't forget to clean your razor properly, because if you don't clean it properly, then when you're gonna use it next time, it will cause you irritation and itching and all that. So make sure to wash your razor properly and then keep it. So I've washed my face and now it's ready for some love and care. And after shaving my face, I don't use a lot of products. I just use the same aloe vera gel, as it's very soothing on your skin, and right after shaving your face, your skin needs some soothing product, and it also provides your skin the moisturization, the hydration it needs. So I just use this aloe vera gel all over my skin again. You can use any aloe vera gel that you have. You don't have to use this particular product as well, but I will recommend you this product. This is so good, you guys, so good. You have to use it to believe it. And it's slightly on the pricier side. It retails for 450 for, and you're getting 300 ml product, which I think for aloe vera gel it is a little costly, but it is Face Shop, guys. You know how good the Face Shop products are, so you can definitely try it out, and it will last you about 6 to 7 months aram se, even more than 6 to 7 months. Okay, so if you made it till here, then thank you so much. And at this point I would like to tell some points about shaving your face. There are lots of myths about shaving your face, like your hair will grow back thicker, your hair will grow back faster, but trust me, I'm doing this for 3 to 4 months now. I haven't seen any difference of growing my hair. It's normal. It was just like before. And so there are so many benefits of shaving your face. It makes your face like baby but soft. It makes your skin so soft. It also makes your makeup glides on very smoothly, and the makeup looks so flawless after shaving your face. I mean, you have to do it yourself to believe it, right? Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and if it was, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you on my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home, wear your mask. Bye.